Good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2012 Chemistry Past Question 20. The number of hydrozonium ion produced by one molecule of an acid in aqueous solution is its A. Basicity, B. Acid strength, C. pH, and D. Concentration. Now looking at basicity of an acid. Basicity of an acid simply refers to the number of hydrogen ion produced by one molecule of an acid. The number of hydrogen ion produced. Now, an acid will always produce an hydrogen ion as its only positive ion, but when this acid is placed in an aqueous solution, it will produce hydrozonium ion. So it simply means that the number of hydrogen ion produced by one molecule of an acid is also equivalent to the number of hydrozonium ion produced by that same acid in an aqueous solution, and that refers to the basicity of that acid, making option A correct. Now, acid strength here simply refers to the tendency of an acid to dissociate into protons, which is the hydrogen ion, and anions. The tendency of an acid to dissociate into protons and anions, while pH on the other hand represents the measure or the degree of acidity or alkalinity of a substance. Alkalinity, that is trying to measure how acidic or how alkaline a substance may be. Then concentration here simply refers to the amount of a substance present in a given volume of that substance. So the answer to this question actually is option A, basicity, that describes the number of hydrogen ion produced by one molecule of an acid, and I say it's also equivalent to the number of hydrozonium ion produced by that same acid in an aqueous solution. Thank you, and ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.